Guys, welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new on my channel, you are welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. So guys, in today's video we are going to be doing scarf tutorial, how to tie your scarf, a perfect way of tying your scarf. Okay, so this is the scarf I'll be using. For this style, you don't need to fold your scarf, or you can fold it a little bit here. Just fold it in like so. Then you place it on your head from the back. The measurement for this one is 50-50. If you want your hair to show, you can actually open your hair. If you don't want it to show, you can cover it up. So you bring this one like this. Can you see? You do it like this. Then you bring this other part, use it to cover your hair from this side, so it's going to form V at the front. Okay, we already have our V. You can see the V part here. So you pick this other hand and use it to tie the scarf at the back. You will still come back and arrange it properly. So just tie it, let it be firm. Okay, so when you are done, just come back and style your scarf. Just arrange it. If you are tying scarf, make sure it is beautiful. Don't just tie your scarf anyhow. Okay, stop all those boring scarf styles, gele styles. You can actually use your scarf. You are not tying gele now. You can style your scarf in a very beautiful way. It doesn't have to be ashoke all the time. Especially when you are going for midweek service, you have like a meeting, maybe in the church or somewhere you don't want to open your hair basically. Or maybe you are going to the market, your hair is rough. See, I tie scarf when my hair is rough. And when you are going to the market, you can't tie hashoke now. You tie something simple. And just because you are going to the market doesn't mean you should tie your scarf anyhow. You can actually be stylish with it. Okay, so don't be caught on fresh. Don't be caught on fresh. Whether you are tying scarf, whether you are tying gele, even if you are not going far, even if you are going to the market, you don't have to look rough to the market. Okay, you might not apply makeup, but make sure if you want to cover your head, if you want to tie your scarf, make sure you tie it properly. So can you see this? You can rock this scarf to the church. You can rock it even to events if you want. Okay, you can see it is very beautiful, portable and beautiful. You have doctor's appointments. You are taking your child for immunization. You are going somewhere that is not that far and you don't want to open your hair. Just look at this. Stop being boring with your scarf, with your gele. Okay, it is high time for you to be stylish. It is high time for you to step up. Okay, with your scarf, with your gele, with your head, anything you want to tie on your head basically. Okay, it is time for you to step up. Stop looking cheap. Stop looking old. Stop looking haggard. Okay. So let me show you the back. Can you see this? Can you see this? Yeah, let me take beautiful pictures for my thumbnail. You can see, very simple, and this is just ordinary scarf. See that your Ankara gele, tie it this way. Stop tying it like old mama. You are not old. Even if you are old, you can still tie your headgear, your scarf in a beautiful manner, okay? You don't have to look old all the time. Okay, let people see you and be calling you sweet 16. People will just be complimenting your look. Beautiful mama. You don't want to get old though. You are looking beautiful, okay? So stop tying old mama kind of scarf, kind of gele, okay? So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.